A rare electromagnetic storm hit SkyPort City, disrupting all communication towers. Planes rerouted, emergency services offline. Deep in the tech district, a hospital's backup power failed, trapping a newborn baby in an artificial incubator. No one could call for help. But Windra heard the change in wind pressure. Vortex felt the electrical imbalance in the air. Racing through the crackling clouds, they landed on the shattered hospital roof. Windra stabilized the winds while Vortex rewired the energy core using his turbine gloves. Lights flickered back, machines whirred to life. The baby's soft cry returned, relief swept through the ward. As the storm cleared, the city's emergency signal boards flashed. Thank you, Windmasters. Don't miss a single rescue. Like, share, and subscribe.